you want to update your store prices with CSV file? With EasyChannel, this process is quick and easy. 3 minutes and we're finished. All of your products will be updated, the prices will be intact, and you can do it for multiple channels at once in one click. First, let's head to EasyChannel website, sign up or log in. Inside EasyChannel, head to the Products catalog and click on the Product Settings tab. Select Import Export tab and click on the Update Items button. In this section, you can download EasyChannel's CSV template or upload your own formatted CSV file. I've selected my file, which is also compatible with Excel. Within my file, I have a column for SKU and another for price. As you can see, the price in the CSV is set to 11. Now let's ensure the price field is correctly mapped to the corresponding column in the CSV. Once everything is set, I'll click Import. The system will now process the CSV and apply the pricing changes. As you can see, the price has been successfully updated on eBay to $11. It was easy, right? With EasyChannel, you can do many other bulk actions that are super useful for your business, such as bulk inventory change, inventory sync, optimize title descriptions with our AI SEO capabilities, and much more. And if you stayed far until here, comment below your favorite marketplace of all times, and we will give you a 10% discount for your first month. This is limited for the first 5 comments. So thank you, and see you in the next video of EasyChannel, where we make multi-channel e-commerce easy.